Well, I guess I'd do another crosstalk. Um, I've got 13 that I picked out here from my split, and then I think I'll cut these into tops. But boy, it's windy out. We got another inch and 3/4 rain, which up Wisconsin got. Oh man, they got flooding, but the the Kish down here at the bridge is still rising. It's 13, I think 13 and a half feet. Um, that one will work, I think. Yeah, that side there. But man, we had tornadoes going all over the place. Um, yeah, I was thinking tornado hit and scattered my crosses all over the place. um, but we didn't have any. We lost our power for maybe an hour or a little more. I didn't start the generator. I just ran off the solar. That's when the solar really comes in handy. You don't have to get out and start the generator. Let's see, which way do I want to do that? I think this way. Alrighty. Boy, I ache. My body is just, I think all the years. I think if it was something serious, I'd be dead by now, but it just takes. It's like you just moan and groan. It's like in the morning you wake up and it's like, oh, another day of moaning and groaning. Okay. Yeah, you watch the news and you read the news, and it's like they're waterboarding us with. There's so much stuff coming at us all at once. It's it's got to be a psyop, so you feel like giving up. You don't want to hold them to account on anything. I tell you, the bond market and the banking system, most people you talk to don't have any clue at all what's going on. And this debt-based system that we're in, most people don't have any clue how money is created in a debt-based system. And that bond, mathematically, the bond market is going to come to an end, and that is not going to be pretty. But I guarantee you, if you walk up to just a regular person on the street and ask them how money's created, they don't have a clue in a debt-based system. Oh man, I ache. Instead of crosstalk, this is a cross groan. Oh. And I asked the cardiologist, what pain stuff I could take, and he didn't recommend any of it because I guess whatever's ailing me, he said it wouldn't be good. So I just have to deal with it. Seems like every phase of life you have something to deal with. It's all on how you handle it, I guess. I remember when I was starting out in construction, and then when I had my business, you had guys that were making a lot more money than me, but they never had any money. They always were spending it. Spending more than they took in, or getting in debt. Debt is a killer, I'll tell you. Debt, I never liked debt. Never wanted to be in debt. Sure, you can get big and use the debt to lower your tax burden, but I never liked the risk of. I saw a lot of guys go broke. Bondage. It's funny, the bond. Bondage has bond in it. Become a slave. Slave to the banks. Slave to the bankers. Okay. A little bit off that side. Well, let's see how much my belly sticks out in this video. My last crosstalk is like, oh my goodness, I look like my uncle. His stuck out to here though. A little bit more. Yeah, lost my dad. And a year later, my uncle. Lost my uncle. That looks pretty good. Well, I hope you all are safe from the storms and not too much flooding in your basements. It was wild and woolly yesterday. There must have been 150 to 200 tornadoes here in the Midwest yesterday. At least. I was watching Max Velocity on YouTube pretty much the whole night. He was pretty busy. Yep, that looks good. Well, I'm going to read number 6. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. All righty. You all have a good one. God bless.